jumping off a chair, a 3-year-old Anmol Singh fractured his arm and needed to get a cast at a clinic. After realizing there was a 7-day wait period at the clinic, his father, Hargurdeep Singh, used his skills and built him a 3D cast himself. Let's bring the two to talk about this. Father Hargurdeep Singh joins me along with his brave 3-year-old Anmol Singh from Brampton, Ontario. Good evening and hello to both of you. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Akshay. Thank you for having us. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great. So I'm going to try and get a little out of Anmol this evening. Hi, Anmol. Can you hear me? How are you?
Can you hear him? He's a little shy on camera.
I know. Okay, we'll give him some time. Anmol, can we see your cast, please? Wow.
Camera.
That looks great. Fantastic. So let me ask your dad, Hargurdeep, tell us a little more about this cast. A fascinating story. The clinic was taking time. You went ahead and you took action.
Yeah, so our mission was actually a bit different, right? We wanted to turn a negative experience for him into something positive. That's a philosophy that we use at home. We didn't know how to do that because effectively he has a broken arm. So we said, okay, we got 7 days waiting period. Until then, can we use the technology that I'm using every single day to enable innovation in Canada? Can we use that to help my son? And that's how we got together, and a bunch of companies, associations, all rapidly worked together to get this cast going in a matter of a couple of days only.
That's very creative, and it's fantastic that you could get this for your son, Hargurdeep. But tell us, the clinic said about 7 days or so. So how much time did it take for you to design it, develop it? You said it was a matter of a few days. Just to sort of understand a little better, how much time?
Yeah, so if this was a one-stop shop and you had access to the 3D scanners and printers, this would be a matter of 24 hours. There's pieces of the puzzle. So in order to design the cast, first you have to get measurements of the arms. So effectively to do that, instead of working with his right arm, which he has the injury with, we basically worked with his left arm, and we scanned his arm. And then that was done at a different clinic. So that was a foot orthotic company, a friend of mine who does 3D scanning of feet. I asked him if we could leverage his 3D scanners, and we scanned his left arm. Then we took that digital file of his arm, sent it across the world to a company in Belgium, and then we went to sleep. And then the guys in Belgium did the design work, and then the file came the next day, and we printed the part out, and we tested on his left arm.
And I believe there's another piece lying there. So you've made multiple options for Anmol. Anmol, if I can ask you a question, do you have a favorite?
Which one's your favorite? This one? You want to show your favorite one?
Wow, it's got stickers on it. Which stickers does it have, Anmol? Okay, I can understand. He's a little shy to be on camera, too young for it, but that's fine. I'm glad we have him on the show to at least show it off to, all his friends and families and the rest of the country. So a quick question to you. What did the doctor say about this, Hargurdeep?
So he was blown away. Effectively, they had tried 3D printing in the past, and the technology has come a long way. So, there's definitely a technology rapid advancement that's happening. The process that they had tried in the past was sort of an extrusion process that takes forever to print. The technology that we're using, this is fully printed in color. So this is not stickers applied after the fact. It came out of the machine with artwork, with nylon biocompatible material. And he was blown away. He's like, I've never seen something like this before. So he was quite excited. He said this is the future of where medical science is going.
Well, that's encouraging, future of medical science. But we'll have to leave it at that. Great chatting with you and the initiative you've taken. Thank you so much, Hargurdeep, and of course, Anmol, for joining us in the conversation. Good luck.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.